Welcome to option one of videoing Newton's laws. Got some student examples here from last year. You can see that Evie here drew a nice picture of a car, described how Newton's first law uh, was keeping it in motion or at the same speed, and then pushing the car using the second and then the third law. Here's another example from Taylor. And I really like this one. Taylor used basketball. She explains that the ball is just going to sit there, and then the third law example here says this shows Newton's third law because for the action of the basketball hitting the floor, the reaction was the floor hit the ball. So it really pulled in that Newton's third law. And also she included a little note that said she'd spoken to another student during the online classes. I really appreciate it if you're reaching out to each other and helping. That's very nice of her. And then this last one, Ulysses, I'm showing you here as an example of what you should do. So um, Ulysses decided that she was going to use volleyball, and and so I will pretend as if I'm Ulysses explaining this. So here I've got a volleyball that's not in motion. This is an example of Newton's first law because the volleyball will just sit there until acted upon by some outside or net force, because every object will be at rest and will remain at rest unless acted upon by some kind of a net force. Newton's second law states that if you apply a force to an object, it will accelerate. And there's a formula for that, which includes the force that you hit a ball with will equal to its mass times its acceleration. Or the other way, if you accelerate a mass, you have to apply a force. And then the third law, so here the ball says the ball is going to hit this girl's hand as hard as she hits it because every action has an equal and opposite reaction force. So Newton's law states that when you hit the ball is going to hit you back with that same force. This is an example of how to do videoing Newton's laws if you want to draw them.